Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can activate and set up the custom cleaning in the Philips 3000 series robot vacuum. So in the first step we need to open the application, then open the custom clean, and now we can select that we want to activate the room, zone or spot cleaning. So let's tap on the spot cleaning for example. Now we need the position of the spot cleaning, like this one for example, tap on the next. Now you can select the cleaning mode, there we have the dry, quiet, intensive, so tap on the quiet. You can also select the suction power, the mop madness, repetition, and the carpet boost. Then tap on the save, and now we are ready to start the cleaning. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.